The TicketsCAD Mesh Bridge puts your Meshtastic radio's traffic onto your dispatch map. It runs quietly on a Windows PC next to the radio. This video installs it, verifies the connection, and fixes the handful of things that usually go wrong. You will need 4 things: a Windows PC, your Meshtastic radio and its USB cable, your TicketsCAD server address, and a bridge token. The installer brings everything else, including the radio driver. First, the token. In TicketsCAD, open the Mesh console and mint a bridge token. This is what proves to the server that this bridge is allowed to report. Copy it now, you will paste it into the installer. Treat the token like a password. 1 per bridge, and you can revoke it later if a PC is lost or retired. Plug the radio into the PC with USB. Windows gives it a serial, or COM port. Open Device Manager, expand ports, and you will see it, a Silicon Labs CP210X on a COM number. Note that number. If you do not see it, the radio's driver is missing, a yellow warning icon, or nothing under ports. Do not worry, the installer can add that driver for you in a moment. Now run the installer, double-click TicketsCAD Mesh Bridge Setup. Windows will ask permission to make changes. Click Yes. Installing a service needs that one approval. The wizard asks for 3 things: your server address, the token you copied, and the COM port. The drop-down lists the ports it detects, so pick the one your radio is on. Leave the Install Driver box checked if you are not sure about the driver. Click Install. The installer copies the bridge, adds the radio driver if you asked, registers it as a Windows service set to start automatically, and starts it right away. When it finishes, the bridge is already running, and it will start on its own every time the PC boots. You never have to open a command line. To confirm it is working, double-click Verify TicketsCAD Bridge on the desktop. You want 3 green OK lines: the service is running, the radio's COM port is reachable, and the server accepted the token. 3 OKs, and you are done. If any line is not OK, the Verify tool tells you in plain language what to fix. We will walk those next. Back in TicketsCAD, open the Mesh console. Within a minute, your radio and the nodes it can hear appear here, live. That is the whole point, the field mesh, on your dispatch screen. Now, the 4 problems people actually hit, and the fix for each. The Verify tool points you at the right one. 1. No COM port. The Verify says the port cannot be opened or none is selected. The driver is missing or the radio is unplugged. Rerun the installer with the driver box checked, or replug the radio and check Device Manager. 2. The server rejected the token, a 401. The token is wrong, was mistyped, or was revoked. Mint a fresh one in the Mesh console and run the installer again to update it. 3. Server not found, a 404. The address is wrong. Double-check it against what is in your browser, including HTTP versus HTTPS, and reinstall with the corrected address. 4. The port is busy. Something else is holding the radio, often a Meshtastic app or web client open on the same PC. Close it, and the bridge takes the port. And if the service is not running at all, open a log shortcut to see why, then restart it. To recap: mint a token, plug in the radio, run the installer with your server, token, and COM port, and click Install. Verify gives you 3 OKs, and the Mesh console shows the radio live. It starts automatically from then on. That is the Mesh Bridge on Windows, start to finish. To remove it, just uninstall it like any other program. Thanks for watching.